Hi, I'm Cy Joy with the Peoria Fire Department. We're going to be going over rigging the basket for a high angle litter scoop operation for our evaluations. So starting off, the basket should already have the head pieces pre-connected and the leg pieces pre-connected. We're going to start by hooking up our set of 4s or mini 4-to-1, whatever your department has. In order to perform the scoop. In this case, we have a delta hooking up 2 Purcells and the base of our set of 4s. When you hook up your set of 4s, you want the orange prusik pinned at the top so that you have the ability to control the legs down in an event of a scoop, rather than having the travel prusik moving away from you on the blue. This is your personal set of 4s, and there's 2 different ways that we can place this in the system for the connection. We'll go over option 1. We're going to start with the double longtail bowline. 1 yo, 2 yos. This is going to go through the foot set of 4s first. The rescuer's set of 4s next. And then, lastly, the delta that's connected to the head. Now, your department may have a different adjunct here. It doesn't really matter what it is, as long as it's being loaded correctly. So we have the foot, rescuer's attachment, and head in that order for the loop on our bowline. Now at this point, you can tie either a snap bowline or traditional bowline, however you want to do it. And then what we want to do is address our gain so that we minimize how much slack is in the bowline loop. Make sure everything is dressed cleanly. All right, at this point, you're going to take one end and you can tie either a figure 8 follow through to the head of the basket, or a figure 8 on a bite with a carabiner is also acceptable in this location. Make sure you lock the gate. Now for the rescuer's connection, you have several options for your secondary. Option A is taking the other tail, tying a stopper knot, and then attaching the ASAP, making sure that the arrow on the ASAP is pointing towards the bowline. Once this basket is weighted, that will be in the up or mobile fall arrest position. Do a function check. That's your secondary connection. Rescuer's primary connection is going to be a set of 4s to your umbilical D-ring. Evolution is complete.